Hi, this is Paulya Chintada. Welcome to Unconventional Machining Process. Subject. Today we are going to discuss the topic of difference between conventional and unconventional machining process. So conventional machining process. So in conventional machining process, there is a direct contact of the tool. There is a direct contact of the tool with the workpiece. For example, you in drilling process, drilling is one type of conventional machining process. There is drill bit is directly contact to the workpiece, so in order to produce a hole, so there is a direct contact, so that's why drilling is coming under conventional machining process. Whereas in unconventional machining process is also called as non-traditional machining process. So here there is no direct contact between tool and workpiece. So for example, if you want to take laser beam machining as unconventional machining process, there is a laser directly falls on the workpiece. So there is no direct contact with those two. So coming to the next thing, here the cutting tool is always shorter than the workpiece in conventional machining process. Whereas in unconventional machining process, the cutting tool may not be harder. The cutting tool in some process, cutting tool cannot be used, cannot be, may not be physically present. So in conventional machining process, the cutting tool directly contact with the tool. So means when it directly contacts the tool, means the tool life is very less due to high wear. So here there is no direct contact with the tool. With the tool, there is no direct contact of the tool with the workpiece. So that's why the tool life is also increases. So the coming to the next one. So here in conventional machining process, chips are formed in a macroscopic way. Here material removal rate occurs with or without chip formation. Means in conventional machining process, chips are formed in a microscopic way, right? In unconventional machining process, chips are formed. Sometimes chips are formed. Sometimes chips are not formed. Here, MRR takes place due to application of cutting force. Material removal rate depending on application of cutting force. Here, in unconventional machining process, it uses different energies. In some cases, in electrochemical machining process, they are using electrical energy. In some electric discharge machining EDM process, they are using thermoelectrical energy. So conventional machining process, in conventional machining process, it can machine all type of materials. This can suitable for all type of materials. Whereas in unconventional machining process, it cannot be suitable for all type of material. It can be suitable for particular materials only. The material should have above 400 HP. At that time, we can use this type of unconventional machining process. So it cannot be used to produce prototype parts. If you want to get, if you want to produce prototype parts, better to prefer unconventional machining process. So in conventional machining process, accuracy is very low, surface finish is very low. Whereas in unconventional machining process, accuracy is very high, surface finish is also very high because they are using unconventional machining process. So in conventional machining process, there is the tool and work is directly contacted. So that's why the noise of the operation is very high, produces sound pollution. So there is no direct contact. That's why sound pollutions are very low, very low. Here Uh, Compared to unconventional machining process, the capital cost is very less. Here the capital cost is very high. Setup of equipment in conventional machining process is easy compared to unconventional machining process. Here the setup of equipment is very difficult. Here in unconventional machining process, skilled labor and skilled operator is required, whereas in conventional, it's maybe or may not be required depending upon the operation. Generally, they are in conventional machines are manual. Sometimes they are manual to operate, sometimes they are automatic to operate, depending on the situation. Here in unconventional machining process, all machines are fully automated process. Fully automated process. Conventional machining, they are manual to operate, sometimes they are automated to operate. Whereas in unconventional machining process, they are fully automated operation process. Thank you guys for watching this. Um, Please share, subscribe, and comment.